Beautiful.
Everyone there.
Yep.
Unless he's skinny enough and you guys won't hit it.
Who knows? He should be all right. He's tight. Hang to the right as much as possible. Watch that tree in front of you, straight ahead. But hang to the right and start cutting it, and you'll just use your slider. Just use that slider to push you around. So we totally thought that the truck would make it up this spot, but we were wrong because the bottom was still, as you can see, loose dirt, a little bit wet, and it was just too slick to get up there. So you can continue to watch through this, but I'll just spoil it for you now. We don't make it up it due to this bottom section. We did end up later getting pulled up about another 10 feet up onto the rock. We were totally on the rock then. We unhooked and I drove the truck the rest of the way up. Unfortunately, we don't have it on video. So it is what it is. One day I'll get that on video doing the whole thing. It's a pretty cool section, as you'll see in future shots. And you'll have to excuse my son. He's still videoing. He's 7 years old and he loves this stuff, but got to work on his video skills just a little bit. Other than that, he's pretty good out here with us.
He's that.
Yeah, same as last time. So go, try to go driver. I mean passenger, sorry.
Try to go.
Got tired of just crawling through the dirt and not getting anywhere. Tried the tackle box out, couldn't get traction. Obviously all that slick stuff back there with the dirt, there's some stumps getting hung up on the bumper, all kinds of stuff. Just started to give it some throttle and it still wasn't working. So unfortunately we're defeated on this one, but regardless, we still had fun.
Back just a little bit. Hold up. Put that, hang on. Put that traction board right.
Just giving you a better view of what we got going on, what we were stuck on. I know videos don't give everything justice, so it might look easy in videos sometimes, but the truck's pretty slanted. There's a pretty big incline and all that dirt. There's stumps stuck underneath the back of the truck that you might be able to see. I don't know if you pick. Yeah, there's one right there. Kept getting stuck on my leaf springs. Then the bumper. We had to shove some rocks under there. Just a big mess, but all in good fun.
Sorry for that crappy video, guys.
So we're going to engage the tackle box, see what we can do. You can see how it adjusts the wheel speed, but it doesn't help when you can't get traction. We are on 8 pounds right now. We did lower it down while we were working on this hill from 16, so we cut it in half. But I don't know if these tires are just, the sidewalls are too thick, but you can't see much gold. But it is on 8 PSI, I promise you that, because you'll find out later in the video.
It's a little soupy here still. There's a tree stump right there that we're trying to watch out for. He's about to hit. Can you go back and give it a bump? All right, come straight now. Straight driver. Oh, so close. Oh, this guy. Oh, you got that. That's easy money.
This is the same spot as earlier in the video. It's a cool little spot that we found going down one of the trails we hadn't been on. So it was really tight, obviously super swampy, some rocks mixed in there. Definitely had to use sliders on it. All around a cool spot. Yeah, wheel speed just couldn't do it. As you can see, most of these trails in this place are pretty tight. It's fun to cruise around, just clean them up a little bit. My son is filming, so please excuse any fingers or shaking of the camera. He's learning. He'll get the hang of it eventually, and maybe he'll be my full-time cameraman. Disclaimer, yes, I know, doing donuts on APSI is not a good idea.